TPK 93HS screen polishing machine removes screen stretches in just 3 steps. 1. First, deal with waterproof glue. Secondly, use TPK 605 curling box for curling and backup. 2. Prepare polishing fluid and put it into the water pump. Three. Put the product into the polishing machine. Turn on the lights and start polishing. Just wait for the polishing work to be completed. Time up. At this point, you can see that the stretches have been completely removed. Finally, we conduct the tempered film test. Look, the standing is even and the fit is perfect.